Whoa, this is all a bit weird. So I'm not connected to the internet. And ignore that bit at the top. And then I started getting these pings, and I'm like, what? What's going on here? So you can read it anyway. So if we go back, let's have a look at our map. I'd imagine. Let's have a look. So none of these are through the internet. It must be pinging off of him in the aeroplane. I don't really know what's going on here. But that's strange because the MQTT is not connected. I will check. Yeah, look, ignore. So this has all been pinged off an aeroplane, possibly? I'm all a bit confused. What's going on here? Wow, look at all these nodes. I wonder if I connect to the one that's on the roof, if that would be any better. Let's have a look. This is the one on the roof. Because that's inside the house, that one. This one's on the roof. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, it's picking up. Wow, look at those nodes it's picked up. Oh, this is insane. Oh wow, so do you reckon it's pinging off of... Oh wow, look at this. This is absolutely freaking awesome. Wow. So can we get rid of that? So no internet. This is all being populated. Oh wow, this is absolutely incredible. Let's send another message. We were talking, hang on. There you go. Getting loads of nodes. You're gonna go through. Yes! It did earlier on. Ah, this is incredible. I can't really work out what's going on here. Well, let's have I got it on. Turn that off, right. Yeah, so as far as I'm aware, we are currently pinging off an aeroplane. There's nothing down here because you can get South Africa. So yeah, right. Look at that. I think someone said Andy Kirby was on earlier on. Crazy, crazy. So our furthest ping is this one, 183 kilometers. You got any direct? They're all hops. Yeah, they're all hops. Hops, 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 hops. So it just shows you how important that line of sight thing is. Hops, hops. Oh no, this one's not a hop. They're still picking up stuff. Well, I'm going to keep on chatting. Oh, here we go. That's where it's coming from. Good reception. Oh, yes. We can see a node 183 kilometers away. 2 or 3 hops, I think it was. Can we be set? Well, let's see if we can request a position. But we're also picking up Nick's T deck there. That's not no hops. There's some strange things going on today. Look at that one. That's all right, isn't it? Let's copy that. Whether he's receiving it, I don't know. But that's crazy. Well, we just look at that. Wow. How many have we actually got at the moment? 53. 54. It's still going up. I'm gonna put I from Suffolk. Oh, there's Ringway Manchester. Let's see if Ringway gets back to us. Oh, look at that. It's all going through. Come on, Ringway. Get back to me. Well, I can. Let's see if we got. No, we haven't got a location. Request position. Come on. One hop away. Come on, Ringway. Wonder what's good. Well, I know what's causing it. It's because someone's flying around the aeroplane, clearly. No, we can't get that through. That is just some crazy distance. I just can't believe that. So all we really need is a node up really high all the time. It wasn't connected to the MQTT. Oh, look, there it is there. So anyway, look, we got Ringway Manchester on here. Check this out. And then if we look at the map, boom, we're pinging off an aeroplane. How mental. So that's my furthest distance. What have we got? 161 kilometers. 183 kilometers. Let's just it was fun. Oh, it was fun. That's absolutely incredible. See if we can direct message Ringway. I put hi from Suffolk. Is it going to direct? Yes! Boom! It's up to whether he comes back to me, I don't know. Oh, it hasn't done the whole thing, like the little